explain how to make use of circuit block element. This is my circuit. You can use any circuit. There is 9 flip-flops, JK flip-flops. This is used as a clock divider. You can use to run here. If the clock, the time period of the clock is 10 nanosecond, then the time period of this output after 9 flip-flops is 2 to the power 9 into 10. You can guess here. That is a 2 to the power 9 is 512. Go around 512 Hz. You can show here the output has the time period of 1 second. Going to the main motive, we can use this for circuit block element. Make a copy. For making circuit block element, you have to make use of new block by going to this. Go here by control paste. There is a warning that you cannot use the 1-bit display, and input switch. Yes, you cannot use, because you have to implement this as a circuit block, a small block. The whole circuit is contained in that block. Then you can name that block input and output by input and output pin. I can make here, this is a clock, make this name clock, and this is our clear button. Make it clear. Then our output pin is used to make output here. This is our output pin. And then you may remove these other wires, because these are for the visualization of the counter. Because these 9 flip-flops are used as a counter. It counts from 0 to 2 to the power 9. That means 512. Again, make a save for this. The save file is named as .cbe, that is circuit block file. Save this, and then use this CBE file for the new circuit to make a shorter or more affordable circuit. Go to the options custom elements, that is the third from the rightmost. Use circuit block element, and the same file that you have saved, use make of that. This is our circuit symbol preview. Open this. This is open like this. Make a name this as A, another use then B, then another use as C. Again, this is our clock, so make use of clock generator. Join the clock here. And the other, this is a asynchronous ripple counter. So make the other clock to the output of first flip-flop, first block, make use of that to the clock of the second. Similar things. And the clear is same for the all. Make a clear input. This is our clear input. Attached to all the things. Okay, and the output is attached to LED. This is our LED part, 1-bit LED. Now you can use the output as 1 or 2 to show on the timing diagram. Make other output as, this is as 1. And this output as 2. Now you can perform a simulation by save this. You can perform the simulation. You can see here this output change after 2 to the power 9, that is 512 time period. This is changing, and this will change after 2 to the power 18 times the time period of this clock. And this this LED will glow after 2 to the power 27 times the period of the clock. You can increase the frequency. You can see there is a changing also in the second output after some time. Now For timing diagram, you can go here, this option, timing diagram simulation. You can go here, here clock is described or given. You can also make a property, go to the clock property, make a frequency as 1100 megahertz. This is 100 megahertz. That is the time period is 10 nanosecond. Then save it. Then go to the timing simulation. You can make here zoom out, zoom in, and by making execute timing simulation or play button, you can view all the things. That is our LED. This is one part, one output. This is second output, A, B, C, and clear. This is our clock. You can view this. That's all. Thank you.